Yo guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So here we are going to break down yesterday's NQ trade. Okay, so as usual we start from 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour 1 hour point of interest we need to mark first. Okay, so I used to mark this inversion FVG. Here you can see here. Okay, and we had a 4 or FVG here. Okay, it's already disrespected during this move. Okay, so we can remove that. Okay, and you can see price was here. Okay, price was here during NY open. Okay, so you can see price tapped here. We move to 1 hour time frame. Okay, we just mark the 8 AM high and low. Okay, okay, this is our 8 AM low and 8 AM high. Okay, and this was buy side liquidity. Okay, okay, and here we had a FVG. Okay, 4 hour FVG, and the same place if we move to 1 hour we had a 1 hour FVG here. Okay, here. Okay, so I just marked this all things. Okay, and my expectation was this, like once price tap for our inversion we can plan a trade to here. This was my plan. Okay, you can see let's see, we can mark the 9:30 open here. Okay, let's move to lower time frame, this 50 minute. Okay, and we mark the 9:30 open. Okay, 9:30 open here. Okay, like I used to don't trade before New York open. Okay, I just wait for New York open. We mark the 8 AM high, 8 AM low. Okay, see once price uh, took the 8 AM high and price again reached to the 8 AM low, but you can see maybe you can go long from here. This is 50-minute FEG, but I don't consider 50-minute things. Okay, like 4 hour or 1 hour. Okay, I'll always stick with higher time frame. Okay, and let's break it down from 1 minute. Okay, let's move to 1 minute. Okay, you can see 9:30 opened here. Okay, and price started moving upside. Okay, you can see price before 9:30 open, you can see price took 8 AM high, and you can see price give momentum shift, strong displacement and everything. Okay, but this is not happened from any higher time frame point of interest. Okay, that's why we don't trade this. It worked. It's given, you can see liquidity grab. Okay, and momentum shift, strong displacement with FVG. Okay, you can see price back to FVG. We should enter from here and stop loss above, and here is your 1:2. Yeah, your 1:2 got here. Okay, it's also good trade, but I don't consider entering a trade before tapping any high time frame POE like 1 hour or 4 hour. Okay, and here we had a reason to price go Okay, so that's why I didn't take any trade here. Okay, I just waited for price to tap this FEG. Okay, let's see. Again, price took ATM low and there is no point of interest. You can see price, if price tap this and give any confirmation, we can go long from here, but that's not happened, so no trade. Okay, and let's see, lots of people traded this, I think, like ATM high and this buy sell liquidity, momentum shift and everything, but price already taken liquidity here, so there is a chance to go up, like price has a reason to go here. Okay, for our inversion, so I just waited for price to tap. Okay, see, price tapped here, so here we need to give close attention. You can see price took liquidity. Okay, and see, we had FEG here. Once price inverse this FEG, we can go short. Okay, that was my plan. See, price inversed here. Okay, clear inversion. We got strong move and closing below this bullish FEG. So you short here, stop loss above, and you can target for our FEG. Okay, and your first target should be this low. Okay, and once price close below, you should move break even. Okay, that was my plan. See, price broke and closed below, and you should move stop loss here. Like my break even notes here, I just put my stop loss here. Okay, you can take some partial or something, like that's up to you. Okay, you can manage, like you don't need to copy exact mine, you can plan, like you can make your own plans. Okay, so let's see, price reached the first target. Okay, you can take some partial here. Okay, and see, target here. Okay, that's all. Okay, this was a simple trade, like textbook example. Okay, so we traded during New York session. Okay, and the 9:50 to 10:10. Okay, this is the macro window. We can expect a trade most of the days during this 20 minutes. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, you just back test what is happening during this time. Okay, and I hope you got some value from this content. Okay, if you got any value, please like. Okay, and feel free to ask your doubts. Okay, thank you, we'll meet you again. Bye.